So guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make these amazing smoothies with 5 different berries doesn't matter, after you work out or just as a meal replacement to help you burn calories, have keep your skin radiant. So if this is going to appeal to you, keep watching. I'm back. Kartia, Velino. Guys, I just came back from the gym. I walked my butt off. So when you walk your butt off at the gym, you come home, you don't stuff yourself with some carbohydrates. So I will share with you guys one of the things that I do and I eat right after I come back from the gym. I don't drink protein shake. I used to drink protein shake, but I figure out that it has lots of sugar. So instead of me drinking protein shake, I substitute my protein shake with the shake I am going to make for you right now. But first of all, take a look at what I did at the gym today. So I think I deserve what I'm going to have today. So look at that. So guys, I have some pineapple. However, I'll be making another video after this. I'll be sharing with you guys how to make pineapple facial scrub for some of you who have sensitive skin. So today it looks like it's one of my pineapple days. So I have some fresh pineapple in this bullet here. Yes. A lot of you guys do throw away your banana or your fruits when they turn into this color. You have an option. Never throw away your banana. You have an option of using it for smoothies and also using the inside back of the banana to scrub your face. So, but today I'm making the smoothie. So I have half banana here. I have lots and lots of blueberry here. Oh my God, almighty blueberry is responsible for collagen production and for brightening up your skin and getting it ready for wrinkle diminution. So I have yogurt here. This is unsweetened yogurt. It's 0. It says 0, and I am not promoting this company anyways, but I love me some Greek yogurt. So I'll be using 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt in here. Yeah, and because I don't have all the fresh fruits at home, I also have 4 berry blends in this package. So remember, it's winter. Sometimes you don't really see the fresh berries. So in here, 4 different kinds of berries. Look at that. Oh my God. Everything to make you look young, fill you up, and decrease aging is in here. So I don't add water to this fruit, to this kind of blend. No water. So you're gonna bring it to blend. So guys, I have my berry smoothies. This is all you need after you come back from the gym. Oh my God. So guys, if you're looking for something to eat after you work out or breakfast, you can even have this as a main meal. It's about 12 p.m. my time, and this is going to serve as my lunch for today because it's very, very filling. After this, I will be drinking lots and lots of water. And guys, thank you for your time and thank you for watching. It's it's sweet like the sugar from the fruit. Remember to subscribe and share the video.